that seem to be against. It feels like she's against the tenants right now. We'll see how she votes, but pay attention is what I would say, and hopefully she will sit down with some of us and talk to us individually so that she can hear some of our reasoning, because she isn't at those meetings that we have, and would like to really just have a conversation with her. And from what I've heard, there might be some resistance to that, and I would like her to open up to that. And so hopefully we can reach out to her and maybe make some kind of connection and bridge that gap. Or she's just going to side with the landlords, and at that point, I think the only choice we would have is to do everything we can to run somebody against her. So, or, help somebody, volunteer for somebody running against her. So this next one is about gentrification in DC. I'm going to end with this song. It's But Anyway by Tarica Jones.
Today's a good day, know it's finna be sweet. I'm listening to Dom on Kennedy Street. Remembering the West Coast where the energy's sweet. I did my yoga this morning so my memories peak. But anyway, off-grid shit, nothing to tweak. The city's still filling up with those who dance off beat. More than 140 characters and all of them weak. They walk by low eye, act like they can't speak. They walk dogs. When I say that, I don't mean they feet. That's cause they scared of their neighbors, them they don't wanna meet. But anyway, this third generation for me. My parents and my grandparents all from DC. So I feel like I notice things other folks can't see. And like I represent things other folks can't be. And I remember all black on the green line, and all the kids had jobs in the summertime. Say what you want about Barry, but he cared for the poor. And that ain't who these new fools working for. I tell them that ain't who these new fools working for. They trying to kick us all out and just build more stores. But anyway, I could go on forever about all of the bullshit. I'm trying to make it better, or even about me. In the 21st letter, I feel like I know you, even though we ain't together. Live forever, okay, you getting money, well I'm getting peace of mind that you can't take from me. So I feel I'm doing fine, and as long as I love me, I follow my own signs, and the world can't judge me. Pretty speed camera, send me pictures in the mail. I hate this city sometimes, but oh well. What can I do? Pay the damn ticket. Think it's unconstitutional, but I don't pick it. Nah, there's other battles, other cages to rattle. They still locking us up and trying to hurt us like cattle. I talk about it cause nobody else tattles. They taking juveniles to Iowa, they saying that'll teach them, but it won't. I swear on everything, man, the system is a joke. Not rehabilitation, and it's not about hope. It's about the corporations, $10 soap. And $10 for 10 minutes on the phone till you broke. Where they recording every single word that you spoke. They probably ignoring every single word that I wrote. Cause if I ain't burn it down, I was only blowing smoke. But anyway, I could go on forever about all of the bullshit. I'm trying to make it better, or even about me. In the 21st letter, I feel like I know you, even though we ain't together. Live forever, okay, you getting money, well I'm getting peace of mind that you can't take from me. So I feel I'm doing fine, and as long as I love me, I follow my own signs, and the world can't judge me. Pretty or ugly. Pretty or ugly. But anyway, I could go on forever about all of the bull, how I'm trying to make it better, or even about me. And the 21st letter, I feel like I know you, even though we ain't together. Live forever, okay, you getting money, well I'm getting peace of mind that you can't take from me. So I feel I'm doing fine, and as long as I love me, I follow my own signs, and the world can't judge me. And anyway, I'm just speaking from my heart, even though the industry is trying to keep us apart. Even though my enemies are steadily throwing darts, I'ma make it to the end, man, I said it from the start. So play your part, and your position, pen and papers like the pots when I'm cooking in the kitchen. If I serve it up hot, know the people more, let's say, Lord, give it all I got. I'm the link that was missing, no more wishing. Cause I'm here, vibrating off love, not the frequency of fear. I'ma keep it right there and watch the hate disappear. Every day is my year, you get that shit.
And wealth doesn't trickle down. It is siphoned up from the labor of the many into the pockets of the few. I don't like great concentrations of private wealth because it causes public poverty. Corporate wealth is the greatest single cause of poverty. It is theft, and it makes a mockery of democracy. In fact, in every society where you have wealth, you have poverty. That's how you get wealth, by creating poverty. That's how That's how the slave owner could live in such opulence and luxury, by having slaves who work at a fair subsistence and create this for him. That's how the feudal lords could live with their refineries and luxuries and their tables laden and groaning with food, by having serfs and servants working and producing this. And in the societies where you don't have great concentrations of wealth, you generally don't have mass poverty, or very little of it. It's a very interesting correlation. Wealth causes poverty, and that's what I got against wealth. There's only one thing that the ruling circles throughout history have ever wanted, and that's everything. There's only one thing they want. All the wealth, the treasures, and the profitable returns, all the choice lands and forests and game and herds and harvests and mineral deposits and precious metals of the earth, all the productive facilities and gainful inventiveness and technologies, all the control positions of the state and other major institutions, all public supports and subsidies, privileges and immunities, all the protections of the law and none of its constraints, all the services and comforts and luxuries and advantages of civil society with none of the taxes and none of the costs. Every ruling class in history has wanted only this, all the rewards and none of the burdens. Their operational code is, we have a lot, we can get more, we want it all. And if you don't know that, you're in a sad place. If you know that and you don't know anything else, you know more than if you know everything else and you don't know that.
I want you to get up now. I want all of you to get up out of your chairs. I want you to get up right now and go to the window, open it, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore!
Ghetto!
Called gentrification. It's what happens when the property value of a certain area is brought down. Huh? You listening? bring the property value down. They can buy the land at a lower price. Then they move all the people out, raise the property value, and sell it at a profit.
I'm just a boy from the hood. I feel like furious styles. Gentrification in our ghetto. This nation is ours. We built this shit. Yeah, we built this shit. I'm just a boy from the hood. I feel like furious styles. Gentrification in our ghetto. This nation is ours. We built this shit. Yeah, we built this shit. Losing our ghetto, but we don't even know it. Only use the curb for the liquor we pawn. Nigga got shot, now it's time to mourn. Is what it is, baby, life move on. Got a little struggle cause it made me strong. Whole Foods in the hood, now the rent got raised. But I'm still living off minimum wage. Nigga can't even afford to stay. Next thing you know, they gon' own the block. Shit too high for the mom and pop. Stoves we was raised on the block. Now we gotta make way for a coffee shop. Can't take shit, so they buy the land. Living next door to the fireman. And a couple with a dog, but they don't even speak. Walk around acting like they better than me. Cause they make 6 figures with a college degree. I grew up around here, these ain't apartments to me. Steady jacking up the price, but you gotta be cheap. Motherfuckers ain't fooling me. I love my skin and I love my soul. We was all slaves, was the lie they told. We started out kings with diamonds and gold, but they took our shit, baby, ain't that cold? I'm just a boy from the hood. I feel like furious styles. Gentrification in our ghetto. This nation is ours. We built this shit. Yeah, we built this shit. I'm just a boy from the hood. I feel like furious styles. Gentrification in our ghetto. This nation is ours. We built this shit. Yeah, we built this shit. Where we gon' live if it ain't the hood? Can't move up cause a nigga po. Still in the recession and the jaws is low. Only other option is slang some blow. 3-strike rule, better think again. Kicking us out and they moving in. Pushing us all to the side of the city. Full of liquor stores in the water, shitty. School fucked up, they don't teach the kids about who they is or what we did. Aliens and build them pyramids. We the ones started the beauty supply. People bought it out, now prices high. Everything around me gentrified. Better wake up, nigga, open your eyes. Go and get high, then you eat Popeyes. But it ain't uptown, only on our side. Cross their finger cause they hope we die. Musta forgot we was born to survive. Only in the hood when you need a vote. Or fucking our women in exchange for dope. Same old shit, it ain't changing though. Got me feeling like God my only hope.
All the animals come out at night. Whores, skunk pussies, buggers, queens, fairies, dopers, junkies. Sick, venal. Someday a real rain will come and wash all this scum off the streets.